Understanding, count on it. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very useful phrase in English, count on it. Understanding such phrases is crucial for fluent and natural English communication. So, let's dive in and learn together. Count on it is a phrase that expresses assurance or certainty about something. When someone says, count on it, they mean that you can be absolutely sure or rely on the fact that something will happen or is true. It's similar to saying, you can bet on it, or definitely. To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. If you need help with your project, count on it. Here, the speaker is assuring their readiness to help. 2. Will he be at the meeting? Count on it. This means that he will definitely be at the meeting. By using these examples, you can see how count on it fits into everyday conversation. Sometimes, you might hear variations like, you can count on me. This means you can rely on the person speaking. Counting on it. A shorter version, often used in casual settings. Understanding these variations will help you recognize the phrase in different contexts. Count on it is often used in informal settings like conversations among friends or family. It's not typically used in formal writing or speeches. Remember, the tone of this phrase is very confident and reassuring. And that's a wrap on count on it. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations is the key to mastering them. See you in our next video, and keep learning.